Hey everyone, welcome back to Rustic Trends. Today is reveal day of the 12-foot monster. I spent a long time last night getting this ready for a customer who will be here shortly, probably in about 10-15 minutes. So this video a little be on the short side. So it's been a long time working on her, but she is finally complete, taking delivery today. I'm happy because it was a very long ordeal to get it done. So, everyone ready? There she is. Let me get my body out of the way here so you can see. Yes, I know it's so big it's hard to get it all into the camera, but the top of it is cleared. And all the doors are done. Actually, let me turn the camera around here. And nope, not gonna let me right now because my phone just doesn't want to cooperate. But she is done. Let me get myself into a good position here. Alright, there with all the doors. I put the handles back on last night too. I was up very late. I was up until about 11 o'clock, maybe a little bit more, getting her done. So she is all done. This is, like I said before, this is where she meets together. Couple coats of clear on the top. The wood is very dry and porous, so it does suck it in a lot. But the one thing I did not do was I did not do inside the cabinets, because it would take an awful lot of stain to get that done. I mean, I went through roughly, let me think, probably around a good gallon to cover this. And, the clear probably took about a quart of it because it's so large. But I only did the top of it and the sides on the clear. But what I did use, let me show everybody. Oh, this thing is still wet, a little bit and tacky, so I'm going to use the gloves I used. I used Minwax. And this color is mahogany, which is actually a very, very beautiful color. I'm very happy with the way it comes out. Minwax makes a great product. I'm not just saying that. I mean, no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything else. So I did use a Minwax clear as well. This little guy. But I use the high gloss. So this actually works really, really well. I mean, your first and your second coat, you're not really going to start seeing it. If you want a really good wet look, it's probably going to take you about 5 coats depending on the wood, maybe a little more. But, I mean, it's a really good result. It does hold up well. I've built plenty of bars already where, people leave them outside. The water beads up like it should. And it protects the heck out of it. But with the stain, I went really heavy with it because it's going to be in a garage. And then after it's done being used for this Christmas party that's coming up, it's going to be stored in an area where there's going to get a little bit of moisture. Not much, but some. But everybody knows when it comes to wood, it acts like a sponge. And it will absorb it, and wood will, move. And believe me, it will move around. It will swell up and shrink. And just like, how your house does if you live in a warm or cold climate and, your doors don't shut right. Because the house is moving, because the wood is, it's shrinking or, expanding, one or the other. So, but don't forget too, for this guy, right here, the beer season bottle opener with the catch. This thing is roughly 2 feet tall. So, it's a good size. So, like I told everybody, if I get 10,000 subscribers, whoever gets to that 10,000 mark, you will get that for free. That's right. I'm just looking for 10,000 subscribers. I know I'm kind of reaching right now because I'm just starting my page, my YouTube channel, and I could really use some help from other YouTubers that, woodwork, whatever. Even if it's a completely different subject matter, we all got to help each other. So I got to get my truck ready here. Sorry this is such a short video, but the customer is going to be here and I need to get the cover off of the bed of my truck so I can put part of the lid into it, and he's going to put the other side in his. Then we got to load it onto the trailer because the top is removable. It does not lock down. It's too heavy. There's no need to lock it in. So everybody enjoy. Don't you worry. My next video will be of me making the 12 bar stools for this 12-foot monster. This is what he wanted, 6 for each side. So it's going to take some work, and it is my own design. So if you like the design, feel free to use it and comment, and please hit that like and share and subscribe button. Thank you all. See you soon.